Today, I'm on the tailgate of my truck to show you this rugged tablet that I was sent so I could do this review. Now, this isn't your regular tablet, and this is, to me, more of like a laptop because it is a Windows 11 Pro, but it's a rugged tablet that you can use in your shop. Let's say you're an automotive shop or you're just a worker like me that likes to get into your shop and get dirty. And I just am not going to have a normal laptop out there where I use it with greasy hands or oils and everything else. But that's what this is meant for. So it's fully rugged. It is IP65 waterproof. It's dust proof, basically shop proof. All the ports are sealed up, so it's waterproof. As long as you've got these ports closed, you can just pour water on it if you wanted to. It's not gonna hurt it. Maybe that wasn't enough. Maybe I need to pour more water on it, maybe? Nah, I think that's enough. The tablet is fully waterproof. It has a screen that is visible in bright sun. It's got all of the features that you would want from a laptop. You got your USB ports, charging port, you got HDMI. You've got your buttons up here on the top where you can go up and down on your volumes. There's your power button, your functions. I mean, everything are here. You've got network port and you've got a communications port. On the back, you've got a stylus that it comes with. Great little holding platform here on the back. It's got this little handle right here where you can hold it. You've got a camera. You've got a fingerprint reader. Underneath this battery, you can put in a SIM card for cellular internet, and it also has a micro SD slot in the back. So basically everything that I'm gonna need. A lot of my service manuals for my tractors are all in PDF format. So what I typically have to do is go inside, I gotta print out all these pages, bring them out there when I'm working on it. Well, now I don't have to. I could just have my PDFs on here. I can go through all of them. I can zoom in, look at things very closely and not have to worry about how big do I got to print them. Just all my data can be right here. And then you've got the internet. I mean, it's just everything at your fingertips. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on. When you turn it on, you get this boot up screen here that gives you all the information you need if you need support. Needed to wipe the screen a little bit so I could see it, but now we're booted right into Windows. I can get in here and I can get to all of my applications. It's actually pretty snappy for a Windows tablet. It's got the N5100 processor. It's got 128 gigs of SSD storage. It's got 8 gigs of memory. I mean, it's a decent laptop slash tablet, even though it's just a work tablet. It's very responsive to the touch. It's got a full HD screen. So I can take this tablet, go into my shop with greasy hands, work with it all day, and then wipe this thing down. Next thing you know, the kids and the wife are watching Netflix movies on it while I'm driving down the street. I mean, it's just a good all-around rugged tablet that I know I'm gonna use a lot. I think you'll really like it. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.